In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Jira experience by integrating it with an innovative tool called ChatGPT. Whether you're an agile team member, a project manager, or someone just beginning to explore project management software, this integration is a step toward a more streamlined and efficient workflow. Now let's dive in and get started on this simple yet powerful enhancement for your Jira setup. First and foremost, we'll begin by navigating to Jira, our base of operations. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Jira account. This might be familiar territory for you if you use Jira regularly, but for newcomers, simply type in your credentials on the login page to access your dashboard. Once you're logged into Jira, you should find yourself looking at the interface where all your projects and tasks are organized. Now direct your attention up to the top navigation bar and locate the Apps section. This is where you find all available integrations and additional functionalities that Jira can offer. Click on Apps, and from the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and click on Explore More Apps. This will lead you towards the marketplace where Jira apps are located. In the App Marketplace, you'll see a variety of exciting options. However, today's focus is on ChatGPT, a tool designed to assist you with AI-powered insights and support. In the search bar provided, type in ChatGPT. Once you find it in the list of results, click on ChatGPT to access its detail page. Here you can explore more about its capabilities and read through the descriptions and reviews to understand how it can be beneficial to you in your workflow. With a clear understanding that this tool meets your needs, let's move on to the next step. On the ChatGPT detail page, you'll notice an option labeled Try It Free. Click on this button to initiate the connection process between ChatGPT and your Jira account. By choosing this option, you're enabling Jira to benefit from AI-driven assistance on various tasks and queries you might encounter during your project management activities. Once ChatGPT has been successfully linked to your Jira, take a moment to pat yourself on the back. You've just integrated a smart AI tool into your project management ecosystem. You may now explore the added features and experiment with the tool to see how it can assist you in everyday tasks, whether it's generating responses, drafting messages, or managing project tasks through a new lens. Congratulations, you've reached the end of our guide. Integrating ChatGPT with Jira brings a fresh perspective to your project management process, arming you with cutting-edge AI assistance. Take some time to experiment with this new setup and see how it fits into your workflow. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing how you leverage the power of AI in your everyday tasks. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.